Back to the capital city and a proposed change to the school calendar. We begin tonight with Corey McGinnis in Vestavia Hills, where community members want answers about this flooding. Corey.
Jack, they do. In Vestavia Bowl here, the staff has been working really hard, even planting sandbags like this around the building to ensure that water does not get inside the building at all. But we ask the question, who's to blame for this mess that occurs time and time again? If Lillian Singleton could blame why she wasn't able to bowl Monday, she would accuse
Mother Nature.
Singleton has been bowling for 60 years and says when Vestavia Bowl business closed Monday due to flooding, she was disappointed.
Well, I really feel like the county and the city should help these drowning establishments out.
The parking lot prone to flooding in Vestavia Hills that was tough to navigate Monday was busy inside Tuesday. Sandbag still surrounds the building, while management shows me the ceiling door system they use that blocks out rising water.
Those businesses are located in the flood plain.
Vestavia Hills Public Information Officer Cinnamon McCulley says the city inspects the area, but the city cannot repair or replace private pipes and can only work on public property.
According to our building code today, those businesses would never be allowed to be built.
And while businesses are heavily impacted by massive rainfall, private property owners are responsible for their businesses. Meantime, Singleton tells us she's unpleased that the city and county don't recognize climate change and says that needs to be considered.
It wasn't flooding the way it's flooding now.
So we reached out to the owner, Mr. Ferris, to get answers and to find out what the plan is about the flooding, and we haven't heard anything back. We will stay on top of this story. We're live in Vestavia Hills tonight. Corey McGinnis, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.
Corey, thanks. And it is not just